What I'm looking for in a house
What we're looking for in a house
is a space where our large family can gather.
So we're looking in the Canton area. The area's really growing. A lot of really cool shops and
I need to be close to work, easy access to the highway.
And love to get outside and rip it up and have the grandkids over and you name it.
We know we need our bedroom on the main level. Ideally, 3 extra bedrooms.
A place for mom.
This may be a bit of a challenge because they definitely want a ranch style, but a ranch style with a basement. They want to have the option of a basement just in case their mom comes and lives with them because she is elderly and there's just not a lot on the market, you know, ranch style homes with a basement. So they're all in at $450,000. This one is definitely gonna be on the top end of their budget, but that's because it's more move-in ready.
Got it, okay.
Watch where you step, watch where you lean.
Okay.
For me, this is like a playground. Clean slate. Half of the demo is already done, so it allows you to see what it can be.
There's so much potential to make it what you want, but also the money is there to do so. Because it's just listed for $335,000 and your max budget's around $450,000. So we would definitely have more money to work with your renovation costs here, okay?
Okay.
Now, we have 4 bedrooms on this side with 2 bathrooms. You have your family room right here in the center. You have a huge kitchen, dining, and then it has a full basement on the lower level. Come on in, come on in. You get plenty of light from the back.
Wow.
You do have this old fireplace. It's a clunker.
Nice.
It's a clunker.
It's not nice.
What? I like it.
Not nice.
It's okay to get rid of it.
It's a diamond in the rough.
Listen, you don't have to hold on to it. Let go, set free. let that be our motto.
Yes.
Let go, set free. But what I would want to do is open this wall up here.
Now you're talking. Keep going.
Okay, and now look at this massive jewel of a kitchen.
Wow. Oh, it's a hot
More construction
mess.
underway, I see.
It's a mess.
It is a hot, boiling southern mess. But you cannot find a kitchen this size in a $300-something thousand, a $400-something thousand house out here. So if we blow that wall out, and look, imagine keeping the island, but elongating it to where you have it literally, I mean, a mega island, a 10-foot island here.
Oh, come on.
This doubles as a stove and a DJ system.
A turntable.
For real.
I like it.
If you don't want it, I want it, okay? You keep the fireplace, I get the stove.
You got it. All right.
I'm just kind of overwhelmed. There's a whole lot of ugly going on here.
I'm talking about gutting it all, though. All new kitchen, something just very beautiful, light and airy, like you said.
Okay.
Focal point on the wall, you have your stove. We could do a big, gorgeous hood. I mean, you have here an opportunity for cabinet space galore.
Okay.
So, yes, so far?
Kitchens are expensive,
They are.
Mike. What, are we gonna be able to?
There's a 60, 70K kitchen, and then there's a 40, 50K kitchen.
We need the 60, 70K for 40, 50K. You know what I mean?
It's doable. We can work some magic somehow, some way.
So let's check out the owner's suite back this
Okay,
way.
let's go. Oh,
More
my.
opportunities.
Stand where your bed would be and look at what your view is.
Oh, wow.
I can dig that.
Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, there's your farmland.
I can see a cow out there.
I can tell you what I love already, though. It's solid. This subflooring is solid,
That's good.
Okay.
right?
I'm gonna let Mike lead you into the bathroom.
Oh, I already see what I'm scared of. Wow, this is something.
I'm thinking take this tub out and do a floating tub here.
Oh, nice.
But now you have your
You would like
shower.
that.
What if we open up this wall and elongate the current shower to here?
Oh, definitely.
Right now, this is the French door. Could you live with a single door into the bathroom to allow for a double vanity?
Yeah, absolutely.
We're reframing a bunch in here. I would say it would cost about $25,000, but it would be well worth it.
Hope the basement's gonna have the place
Yeah,
for the in-law suite.
That could be a game changer.
Well, I'll tell you, it definitely has the potential to be an in-law suite,
Okay.
but
That's
it
what we
does
need.
need a lot of work. So
Okay.
come on, follow me. Watch your step.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Is this new flooring?
Yeah.
It is. This
Wow.
is a telltale sign. I guarantee you, someone started renovating this house and then got in over their heads. That's usually what happens when homeowners try to take on the projects themselves.
Yeah, you still have
Tools
materials.
are still here.
Wow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, this is definitely, this is doable.
Off of this main room is an ensuite. It's got windows, a bathroom. They already started framing it out. The back corner room could actually become a storage space for Mom.
This checks a lot of boxes, Gwen. What do you think, Mike?
So from what I'm seeing with what's already here, I mean, we can get this basement wrapped for about $15,000. I say upstairs, we gut the kitchen and bath, plus another 10 grand for flooring throughout the main floor. I'm thinking maybe 100 to 110K.
I realize this is a lot to take in. How are you feeling?
Well, it's 180 degrees different from the last place we looked at. It's 100K at least cheaper.
There's a pool out here. Did you notice that also?
No. What?
Just look at this pool.
Oh, wow.
Can we go out there and check it out?
Yeah, just a little, come on.
Okay.
I mean,
All
it's-
right. It's all right.
I'm seeing a great place for the grandkids to play in the backyard. I kind of like it.
I think it could work. How long will it take to do this?
You're definitely going to want to stretch your rental. It's not going to be a few weeks. It's going to be a few months, right?
Yeah.
They're asking $335. The great thing is, you know, people haven't been running in here by the droves.
Okay, so we need to shoot for less. So if we got in it for 3.25 and we said the monies were roughly how much?
About 110K. That brings you to about $435,000, right below your budget.
It's up to you. What do you want to
We
do?
said we were willing to step into a renovation.
Well, this is definitely one.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so in this kitchen, this is going. We're gonna blow through this wall. We're gonna make this open in 17 feet, okay? This cabinetry's coming out. The property seems structurally sound, but in demo, you never know what you're gonna find. So I wanna get these walls open. Hey! I have to make sure that what is already here is up to code. If it's properly done, whew, already looks better.
I know, it's like you can walk right through it. It looks great.
It's good. Can you tell the guys to come in here, let's knock this out a little bit quicker?
Sure.
Knock, knock, babe.
Hey, my love.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Hi.
Hey, baby.
Opening up this wall between the living room and the kitchen.
Feel it? You feng shui?
What I love the most about it is you were able to lift the beam up into the rafters because I never like when I see the actual header. This is the best thing we could have done to this house. So now you've got your family room. We're gonna do a whole little eat-in situation. What do you think about doing the banquette in the window? It's just screaming for a beautiful banquette, a little breakfast area. We could put a chandelier right there. You could just see their family enjoying this for years to come. I need to make it work, babe. It's perfect, right?
You just keep adding stuff to the budget.
I know, I'm just...
Pull back, let's save some money. But guess what? I got this idea. So you do a 15-inch seat.
Give me something a little deeper than that. So
20, we'll do 20.
No, I need deeper than that.
No, 20.
Well, because I'm gonna put pillows behind it.
I love it. Working the numbers and building it in my head. I know I can make a nice looking banquette and keep it within the budget. It's been 4 days and the basement is dry and safe. We got new drywall and flooring going on.
I love when I walk in and I see it all coming together. So we got our drywall up and the new living room flooring is fire.
There are a lot of things happening today. The dining room's getting primed, shower towel is going up in the homeowner's suite bathroom, and the new vanity has arrived. So I'm going to be checking in with Mark to make sure everything is running smoothly. Oh, nice. Loving it. Okay.
You're moving right along
Cabinets
here.
in.
Look at this.
Locked in. Oh, they got the woodwork in. Trim is going. We're painting those.
We're painting the cabinets,
It's gonna
yes.
be nice. Did you price that out yet?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
The numbers are just right. It'll be painted in the next day or two.
They gave us a hookup?
Yes, they did. You know they take care of us. You know they
Talking
take care of
about.
us.
You ready?
Yeah, let's try it.
All right, let's go.
Welcome home. Welcome home, Dennis. Wait, close your eyes. Close your eyes. We want to make sure you see it at the right spot. Okay, come on. Hold on. Keep your eyes closed. Ready? Yeah. Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Oh, wow! Oh, my gosh! Dennis!
Look at this.
Amazing.
I gotta process all this. This is,
This doesn't even look like the same house.
I know.
It's so right, and it's beautiful.
Remember, it was brown.
Yes, that golden oak from the mid-'80s. When you showed us that color, my first reaction was, whoa. And then I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna trust you with this one. And what a great choice. Great choice, it's beautiful.
Speaking of, look at the color of the floor, how it matches.
It's fantastic.
Look at this.
That's the same stone.
Same stone.
Okay.
I just put a wash over it and then used a satin paint on it.
It was a debate about Gwen not wanting it.
And
you
Dennis wanted to keep
it.
it. So we said, let's do a perfect marriage where we keep it, but we give it a new look.
Yes!
That's
I
what
think we
marriage
both
is.
win.
You do.
Well,
you
We both win.
We know we didn't have a budget for it, but we wanted to give a new look to the fireplace.
Great job.
The most dramatic part of this transition was opening up this wall and raising that beam up, recessing it into the ceiling.
This is gorgeous.
It looks more light in here.
When I thought about a Southern traditional house, I thought about a kitchen that had a lot of character. I said the way to accomplish this is to make the back cabinets one color to really brighten up the kitchen and then to give them some grounding with that island.
This is unbelievable.
I'm digging this right here, man.
God, we're gonna have so
What do you
much
have?
fun
What do you
in here.
have? Huh?
All your grands right there lined up.
Absolutely.
This is gonna fit our family and work for our lifestyle.
We have this gray oak
a
island
beautiful
here,
color.
tons of storage, but gave you some glam
Yes.
Come on.
with our antique brass here.
That's what I was wanting.
There it
was one
is,
of those,
babe. There it is.
The hood, yeah.
So listen, I cannot take any credit for this hood. I installed it, but what you're seeing here, this young lady right here.
You kidding?
Egypt.
You like that?
Yes.
Are you missing the window that was right there? See?
Where was it? Was it right where the stove is?
I don't know, where was it? It was never
Good
here.
answer.
Really, by adding all these additional can lights and your pendant lights, we're giving you more light than you were getting from the window.
Yeah.
What a great
Mike made that for you, the
surprise.
banquette. Yeah, it was screaming for seating over there.
Y'all, I can't believe you did this.
This is beautiful.
I don't hardly ever run out of words, and I can't even find them.
Let's go check out the dining room.
Wow. This is so fun. This is so fun.
This very elegant.
It's inviting.
This is awesome.
Having a house to walk into that feels so comfortable and feels like
Home.
home. It's a relief. It's exciting.